Today I'll be making vegan tofu cream cheese. This recipe uses just two simple ingredients, tofu and miso paste. It's super healthy, packed with plant-based protein and completely dairy-free. Spread it on bread, dip your vegetables, or use it as a sauce.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Press the tofu for at least 30 minutes to remove excess water and achieve a firmer texture. Use firm or extra firm tofu for the best consistency. Avoid silken tofu as it will be too soft. Add the tofu and miso paste to a food processor. Blend until smooth and creamy and make sure there are no lumps. Taste and adjust as needed. Add more miso for a stronger umami flavor or a pinch of salt for extra seasoning. The final color depends on the type of miso used. White miso will result in a lighter color. Serve immediately or store in an airtight container for later use. I hope you enjoy this simple vegan tofu cream cheese. Do you love tofu but feel like you're always making the same dishes? Or maybe you're not sure how to cook it so it tastes really good. I made a tofu recipe ebook packed with delicious Japanese-style tofu dishes that are super easy to make. This ebook has 14 tasty tofu recipes from crispy fried tofu to comforting miso ramen. Each recipe comes with a step-by-step video, so you can cook along with me. I also included tofu cooking tips, side dish pairing ideas, and a meal planner with a shopping list, so you don't have a stress about what to make. If you love tofu and Japanese food, want to eat more plant-based meals, or just need new tofu ideas, this is for you. You can grab your copy at shop.chefjcooks.com or click the link in the description to grab yours today.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.